Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create this slice text effect using Adobe Illustrator. Select the text layer, go to Type menu, and I'll click on Create Outlines. Now choose the line tool and create a line. Select everything, then go to the window and click on Pathfinder. Now click on Divide. After clicking on Divide, the font will be separated into two parts. Right-click and ungroup. Now simply select the lower part of text and move it slightly. Then go to Gradient. Now, from the Gradient option, choose Linear Gradient. Set angle to 80%. And select your preferred color. For now I am selecting yellow. Now deselect by clicking outside of Artboard, and re-select the lower part of the text. Navigate to the Gradient section. Increase the darkness of color, as shown in the video. Thank you for your time. If you found this guide useful, please click the like button. And subscribe to see more related content.